So hello friends, this is Jia from Motowear. So happy to see you on another video. In this video today we are going to see about the top boxes from Motowear. So top boxes generally consist of two variants. One is the plastic variant and another one is the aluminum variant. So in this video we are going to see about the plastic variants. So which starts from 28 liters and up till 48 liters we have in our store itself. So in this 28 liter top box we can keep a full face helmet inside. So just see inside the spacious will be there. So we can keep a full face helmet, and with this box itself you will be getting the base plate which you can fix it on your bike, and all the fixture will be there. So starting from 28 liter which starts from 4500, and next goes to 32 liter which is a square shaped box. So in this box you can keep a same full face helmet, and you can also keep a jacket in a rollover condition, and also gloves you can keep. If you want extra size you can go for a 45 liters which is available in black, white, black, red and full black condition. Okay, so if you want a oval shaped box, there are three types of oval shaped box which is differentiated. In this oval shaped box it's a 32 liter top box, so which has no backrest. If you see, there will be no backrest. So if you require with the backrest means you can go for 36 liters and a 48 liters box, which will come with a backrest and also a indicator wire. So these will act as a indicators, so which will you see in the end of the video. Okay, and this is 36 liter, and the next one is a complete 45 liters. I'll show you the size of this. So you can see this box size. So we can keep for a 3-day travel also we can keep the luggages, and we can go as like a suitcase. So friends, for these types of boxes, if you need or any upgradation you require means, you can contact us at Motowear on the below mentioned numbers. So in the upcoming videos you will be seeing about the top boxes with the aluminum cases, and also the pannier boxes will be explaining in detail. If you have any queries or clarification you can directly call us. We'll give you the WhatsApp number as well as the mobile number down. So see you in next video. Until then, bye from Jia.